Now let us verify the statement 1. CO2 gas is used as a refrigerant for ice creams and frozen foods. Yes, CO2 is used as a refrigerant for ice creams and frozen foods, but you have to identify that here CO2 gas, but CO2 solid form. The CO2 solid form is used in refrigerators. This is also called the dry ice. What is a dry ice? The solid form of carbon dioxide is called the dry ice. The solid form of carbon dioxide is used in refrigerants, not CO2 gas. That's why statement 1 is incorrect. Now let us verify the given options. Here statement 1 is present. Here they ask that correct statement. Here A is incorrect. You can eliminate option 1. Here A is also present in option 2. You can eliminate option 2 also. Okay. Now let us verify the statement B. The structure of C60 contains 12 6 carbon rings and 25 carbon rings. Here they given that C60 contains 12 6 carbon rings. Here 25 carbon rings. That means 6 carbon rings hexagonal, 12 hexagonal rings and 20 pentagon rings. Here statement is jumbled. The correct statement is 12 5 carbon rings and 26 carbon rings. That's why this statement is also incorrect. Eliminating B in option B is present in option 3. Option 3 also eliminated. Statement C given that GSM-5 is a type of zeolite is used to convert alcohols to gasolines. Yes, GSM-5 is a type of zeolite. It is used to convert alcohols to gasolines. This statement is right. Now let us come to the statement D. CO is, you all know that the CO is colorless and odorless gas. So here statement C and D are correct among the four given statements. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer.